Okay, here we have our shifter installed on our Ford C4 transmission. It's in our shop. And we have the Ford shiftgate detent installed with the switch installed over here. And now we're going to put power to the switch. And you'll notice that light number 1 came on. The shifter and transmission are in park. When we put the shifter into reverse, light number 2 comes on. That means that the backup lights can go on, but you can't start the car. You go into neutral, and you have the number 1 light bulb on, which means again that you can start the car in neutral as you can start it in park. Back for reverse, the reverse lights go on. Neutral or park, the number 1 light goes on, so you can start it there. Again, reverse, neutral, drive, it's off, can't start the car, off, off. So there you have it. All the way drive, and everything's fine. Go into neutral, and the neutral switch is on. Go back into reverse. Number 2 is on. Go into drive, and number 1, you can start the car. So that's how the switch works on our Ford transmission.